Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that frustrating out-of-memory error that pops up in Chrome, one of the most common headaches for anyone who spends a lot of time browsing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what to do to reclaim your browsing performance. Get rid of those memory errors for good, and make Chrome run like new again. So if you've ever had Chrome crash right when you needed it most, stick around, because these steps are going to help a lot. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we're going to focus just on Google Chrome for this demo, but if you use Edge or Brave, don't worry. These steps are quite similar, so you can definitely follow along and adapt them to your browser. Let's start with extensions. Did you know that browser extensions, as helpful as they can be, are also a major source of memory leaks and errors? Some extensions are poorly coded or just not compatible with the latest version of Chrome, and they can quietly eat up your computer's resources in the background. So, open up Chrome and click on the puzzle piece icon or head to Chrome/extensions. This page shows you every extension that's active. Here's what you want to do. Disable them one by toggling them off. Every extension you have turned off is one less thing running in the background. After disabling each one, use Chrome for a bit and see if that out-of-memory error goes away. If Chrome starts running better, you've probably found your culprit. Don't worry if this takes a few minutes or if you're not sure which extension is to blame. Just take it one at a time. If you find an extension that's causing problems, go ahead and remove it completely. Now, with extensions checked, it's time to give Chrome a good spring cleaning. Over months or even years of use, browsers collect a ton of unnecessary files and cookies. Think of it like digital clutter filling up a closet. To clear this out, head to Chrome's settings. Click Privacy and Security, and then Clear Browsing Data. Here, make sure to choose both cached images and cookies. When you clear this stuff, you're wiping out files that could be hogging memory, causing slowdowns, or even triggering that out-of-memory issue. It may sign you out of some sites, but it's always worth it for the performance boost. If you're still having problems after clearing data, let's go a step further and reset Chrome's settings. Back in Settings, scroll down and find the section that says Reset and Clean Up, and then click Restore Settings to their original defaults. This basically reverts Chrome to how it was when you first installed it, without touching your bookmarks or passwords, so don't worry about losing your important stuff. This removes any unusual settings that might have crept in and caused issues. And finally, here's a new Chrome feature you may not have enabled yet, the Memory Saver. In the Performance section of Settings, look for this option. What this does is it automatically frees up memory from tabs you haven't visited in a while, making sure that your computer's resources go toward what you're actually working on. It's like putting unused items in storage, so your desk, your system, stays uncluttered and fast. Go ahead and turn this feature on. It's a game changer, especially on older machines or when you love to keep dozens of tabs open. So that's it. By disabling problematic extensions, clearing out your cache and cookies, resetting Chrome if needed, and enabling Memory Saver, you should notice a big difference. If you stuck with me through these steps, give yourself a pat on the back. Browser troubleshooting isn't always glamorous, but it makes a real difference. If this video helped, please hit that like button, drop any questions or your own tips down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.